Hey everyone, it's Laura, and today we're making Shrinky Dinks. First things first, preheat your oven to 325. Then find the rough or shiny side of your page of Shrinky Dink, film, and if you've got Sharpie markers, color on the smooth side, and if you have colored pencils like I do, use the textured side. That helps it hold on to the film. You can print out any picture you want. You can design your own if you want. It's clear, so what I just did was print a picture and then color all over it. It makes life very easy. The only thing I noticed with these colored pencils is that it wanted to smear a little bit, so definitely work carefully so that you don't have your colors blend together in a way that you don't want. I'm doing House Fur. This is from Howl's Moving Castle. If you know me, you understand. Because I love Howl's Moving Castle. I love Howl's Moving Castle so much. You should read that book. Diana Wynne Jones is the author. Go read that book. So good. Watch the movie too, but read the book first. It's just amazing. Anyway, once you have this all colored out the way that you want it, decorate it any way you want, and you can do several if you want, cut it out and try and avoid leaving sharp corners or edges. You want everything to be kind of smooth because as it bakes down, it will get pointier and it can hurt you. Also, don't do what I do here and think you have one piece of paper when you really have, or piece of film when you really have two, because I cut this thing out and baked it, and then the layers separated, which you can see here, layers separating. But 325 for about 1 to 3 minutes. You want to wait until it flattens out, which it eventually does, and then give it an extra 30 seconds after it's completely flat. You can also flatten a little bit with a spatula after it comes out of the oven, but you'd only have a few seconds to work with it. All done.